In this video, I'll show you how to upload a file to a Google Drive folder. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, head over to your Chrome browser. This is our Chrome browser. So this is the search box. So you're going to click on this three dotted icon. Click on it. Scroll down. This is the Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive. Once I've clicked on it, you wait for it to open. Yeah, so this is it. So what you need to do now, I want to create a Google folder, right? Then I'll upload a file to the folder I'll create now. So what I need to do now, I'll click on this new. I'll click on this new folder. So I'm going to name this folder now. I want to name it HowTo. Yeah, so this is it. I'll click on HowTo, then I'll create. So once I've created this folder now, I want to upload a file to this folder I just created. So how to do this? You need to click on the folder you just created now. Click on it, then click on the new tab, file upload. Click on this file upload. Once I've clicked on this file upload, click on this how to make money online. That is from the selected options of what you want to upload, right? So I want to upload this, so I'll click on this. I'll click on this open. So this is how you can upload a file to a Google Drive folder. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.